2 minutes filmed.
That's the end.
Is it?
Yeah. Ha, joking.
Can I say?
No. They're also fun.
Well, do you not feel like they're gonna like go out towards you?
They're gonna kill me. That's my honest feeling. But because I'm about to die, I'm in second. Oh yes. Don't explain.
They're not explaining what.
They're friendly, not like that. Well, if you feel like they can kill you. Why don't come over my head? I'm like, no, oh. They're friends.
Those are so cool.
How long's that been filmed for?
Oh, okay. Oh.
That was not amazing.
That was cool. That was good. It's been filmed for ages. Ryan.
They're fun. They're not.
They're fine.
Yeah, if you don't like loud noises.
They're not.
That wasn't too bad. Oh. Take fire. I think I just about got used to this. Now it's finished.
You're getting used to them now.
Well,
Kind of.
no.
A bit. Not really.
Look, whatever the hell that was.
What?
Fuse. Look at the fuse. Look what's lighting.
Oh god.
Oh, weird. Big. Ready? Oh, it's coming down.
Oh, look at that.
What the hell is this supposed to be?
What is that?
Oh, it's like Christmas related. Is that Christmas? What is that supposed to be? Thanks, buddy. Thank you.
Roman candles.
They're fun. I like them.
What, a mixture of two? Sorry.
I don't get what that's supposed to be. Please not explode very loud.
What is that they're actually lighting?
Look, the lights aren't over there now. Don't like that on the small face. Having a nice time.
Yeah. Are you? You having this one? Yeah. Oh, look, they're still going. Still sparkling.
Is that it? No. They have like a really big one
Not
at
done
the
the
end,
finale
like a
yet.
really big one. They have a really big one. Like a really big one. They're fun.
It sounds like little children going, yeah.
Children, do you go, yeah.
See what I mean?
I'm a little bit confused. Does the sound travel to you before it actually explodes?
Huh?
Does the light travel to you before it explodes?
Yeah.
On those big ones.
That's why you see it and then you hear the sound.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like, usually these lot, I can see them and then hear them.
Right, no, it's the other way around.
Is it? You hear it before they explode?
Yeah, I think so. But these are quite close.
Yeah. We'll see on the next big one. Sounds like a deaf person come to one of these.
Oh, really? Just go right in front of my camera. baby on top.
Ready? Do we see or do we hear it? Hear
See?
it, don't we?
Yeah.
See it.
I'm not too sure.
You see it. You see
Well, some of them, these are quite close, most of these.
it. See it. See it.
Oh, you see it, then you hear it.
Oh,
Yes.
on again. These are nice. This is hell.
You don't like that one, do you?
I don't like the ones that you can tell are going to be landing. And you're like, oh, great, here we go.
Well, see, if you see one going, and then they
Like, these are
explode,
fine, look, these are lovely, but everybody loves it.
they're a bit silent.
It's nice. I like it. It's nice. I like it. I'm okay to see it. Alright. It's still fine. Look at them shooting out the thing.
See, that's what see it.
Oh, wow.
Oh my god.
It's nice I can see this. At the end, I'm doing that. Jack. At the end, I'm doing absolutely huge.
The what?
At the end, I'm doing absolutely huge. Whoa, what the hell was that?
That is the end one. What about that one? Was that the end one?
Why did you have to do it?
phones are freezing.
You won't have much memory.
Oh no, this is meant to be for filming. This phone is for filming. It's what it's made for. Ryan, how much memory has your phone got?
Not that much.
Mine has got 28 gigabytes.
I don't know how much that is, but I think it's a lot.
Mine's loads.
I think it might be 15. I'm pretty sure.
Mine is like double than average. Roughly. Double average.
I think that might be the end, so walking.
Is it?
It looks like trees on fire in the background.
Huh?
Look, it looks like trees on fire in the background.
I know, but it's smoke. my god, did you hear that one?
Which one?
The one, not that one, but the one before it. It sounds like laughter. Like this weird, weird laughter.
How long has it been going on for?
22:50.